Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Victory365 days. Today's grammar class we discuss about a topic called types of sentences according to structure. Okay, so there are few types we'll discuss in that. Okay, because these types are so crucial in your exam point of view as well as your general knowledge point of view also. So what are those different types of sentences according to structure we'll discuss, and with example we'll clarify you in a simple manner what these four different types of sentences are in a sentence. Okay, so let's start one by one. So types of sentence structure wise. Okay, so there are two types of sentences, structure wise, function wise. So today we are discussing about structure wise. First one, simple sentence. Simple itself suggesting that there is no other confusion, only simple thing without any conjunction or other things. So like this, only one independent clause. What do you mean by independent clause? Which has subject and verb and gives you complete thought. That is independent clause. So see, the earth moves around the sun. So simple it is going on. There is no other conjunction or other words joining here to make it confusion. So this type of sentence is called simple sentence. Next up, complex sentence. Complex means which confuses you. So in it consists of one independent and one or more dependent clause. Dependent clause means which depends on other independent clause. So it must have one independent clause, maybe one or two dependent clause. So the example, you see, my dog barks. This is independent clause. When he hears a noise. So when he hears a noise is dependent clause. Okay, this part is called dependent clause. This is independent clause. Okay, so this depends on this. So one independent clause and one dependent clause. This is called complex sentence. Next up, compound sentence. Compound means mixing of. So here two or more independent clause. So here two or more independent clauses or main clause or principal clause must be there. Example, you see, I like tea, one main clause. Seema likes coffee. This is one main clause. So it is joined by a conjunction called and. So these two main clauses joined by conjunction. So whole sentence is called compound sentence. Okay, so last one, compound complex sentence. Very rare we use this type of sentence, but you should know what is compound complex sentence. Compound means at least two independent and one or more dependent clauses. Okay, two independent clauses must be there and one or more dependent clauses. See example, Tom didn't come. This is one independent clause because he was ill. He was ill is also independent clause joined by a sentence word because. So Meena was sad. So Meena was sad is dependent clause. It depends on why she was sad. What's the reason? So here two main clause and one dependent clause, subordinate clause is there. So overall whole thing is called compound complex sentence. Okay, these all are four different types of sentences structure wise. Okay, this is what for you types of sentences: simple, complex, compound and compound complex sentences. Okay, I hope you understood this concept in a simple manner. We try to explain you in a simple manner so that it won't give you such confusion in exams. It will come as identify type of sentences or conversion, simple to compound, compound to complex, or vice versa. In this fashion it may come. So it is very much useful for school level exam as well as in a competitive exam. So thorough preparation is required. Okay, so refer different grammar books, try to understand the concept and change simple into complex. In this fashion you should learn about this compound, simple and complex sentences which are very much important in your exam perspectives. Okay, so this is what for today's grammar class. I hope you like this class. If you really do like, please share with the others, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Until then, bye bye, have a wonderful day.